Waterdrop King Tank Gravity-Fed Water Filter System WDTKFS. Installation Instruction. WDTKFS. 4 filters and stand. Step 1. Lid Knob Assembly. First, insert the knob screw and washer through the lid. Fasten it with the knob screw. Step 2. Spigot Assembly. Then locate the hex nut on the stem of the spigot and unscrew it. Insert the stem of the spigot through the hole on the side of the lower chamber. Thread the hex nut into the spigot stem. Once in place, tighten it securely using your hand, followed by the wrench. Finally, turn the spigot clockwise to the upright position. Take out the water level tube from the carbon filter package. Insert the water level tube into the spigot body, with the screw end going in first into the hole, with the tube facing front. Tighten it manually and stop when it is locked. Then we go to the step of flushing the filter element. 1. With the filter base held in your hand, use your other hand to screw the wing nut to the end of the threaded rod on the carbon filter. Do this until 2 or 3 screw threads exposed, and orientate the flat side of the wing nut towards the threaded rod mouth. 2. Attach the priming washer to the threaded rod. Press the washer on the wing nut's flat side. 3. Ensure that the threaded rod on the carbon filter is well aligned with the water outlet. Press the priming washer on the faucet to seal them. 4. While at it, slowly turn on the cold water faucet, allowing water to fill up the filter. 5. Leave the exterior wall of the filter to sweat beads of water for up to 1 minute. This is the last stage of the flushing process. Let's move into the fluoride filter flushing step. 1. Take out the fluoride filter and put it up against the sink faucet. Use your finger to plug the other end. Fill up the filter with tap water. 2. With the 2 sides of the filter plugged, shake slightly, ensuring the water swishes around for a few seconds. This is necessary to disperse any accumulated dust in the filter from the factory. 3. Withdraw your fingers and expel the remaining water. 4. Place the tan-colored priming washer on the side of the fluoride filter. 5. Press the filter against the sink faucet, with the prime washer forming a seal between the faucet and the fluoride filter. 6. Gradually turn on the cold water faucet so that the water fills the filter slowly while flowing from the opposite end. Leave the water to flow until it runs clear or for about 2 minutes. 7. Turn over the fluoride filter and flush the other end. Follow the same flushing steps as above. After filter flushing, get ready to install the water filter. 1. First remove the wing nut and filter washer from the carbon filter's threaded rod. 2. Insert the carbon filter's threaded rod into the hole in the upper chamber, with the filter entering into the same chamber. 3. Gently thread the black filter washer and wing nut onto the threaded rod, just below the upper chamber. Finally, tighten securely manually with your hand. Position the upper chamber upside down, with the threaded rod of the carbon filter facing upwards. Screw the fluorine filter to the carbon filter's threaded rod, so that the side with the in indicator connects to the threaded rod of the carbon filter. Once the filters are installed, place the upper chamber into the lower chamber carefully, with the lid sitting on the upper chamber. Place the entire water filter system on the stand. Fill up the upper chamber with water and wait for the filtration process. Once you have all the water filtered and stored in the lower chamber, discard the water because it may harbor manufacturing dust. Finally, refill the upper chamber once again. Now the water filter system is ready to use. Enjoy pure water with King Tank.